What's the meaning of consommé? Consommé. Consommé.
Consommé. Consommé. Consommé is a clear soup made from richly flavored stock that has been clarified to remove impurities, resulting in a crystal clear and flavorful liquid. To make consommé, the stock is slowly simmered with a mixture of protein, vegetables, and herbs, which creates a raft of solids that rises to the top as the liquid simmers. Once the raft is formed, the heat is lowered, and the consommé is left to slowly clarify over several hours. The result is a delicate and refined soup that is often served as an appetizer or as a base for other dishes.